Good morning. This is just me taking a quick walk across the property here, checking out my tracker, see how they're doing. I'm going to give you a little update on that Australian Axtracker deal, and I'll turn this back on when I get there and explain it. Alright, here we are. Here's a shot of what the LEDs. This little black thing right there, that's a photodiode, apparently. And inside this box, I was asked to remove all the tape, and you can see it's loose. Well, this little guy right here, I put him in yesterday. Right now that red light is on. That's telling me that this sensor is thinking about the east direction. Okay? So yesterday, after I did that, I blocked it out with tape, and it didn't do anything. And then in the afternoon, we got one of our famous afternoon thunderstorms, and it got really crappy out. This thing turned all the way over to the west and stopped. But it's moving right now. So anyway, I called, I didn't call, I talked back. See the red light went off, and now the green one went on. It's thinking, because the light intensity changed. And I told this guy it wasn't working again. So he basically sent me a new one. So later on in the afternoon, it came back to life, and last night about, I don't know, 8:30, I just happened to peek out the window, and it parked. So he sent me a new one, and this one's working fine. So I guess the reason it wasn't working was a combination of a full moon, the black diode being up on the panel. I don't know if you can see right across the street there, I got two street lights, which just recently have been turned on as some new people have moved in. They've been off for years. And that little black diode being in that clear plastic box apparently fixed the parking issue. So just wanted to give an update on that, because the guy's been super. He's all the way in Australia. And he asked me yesterday if I had UFOs flying over my property, which I thought was kind of funny because just crazy stuff happens to me. Anyway, sending me a new one. And that's the update on that. Apparently that little trick he told me to do did indeed work. So I just wanted to get it out there and just say what a hell of a guy that guy is. He really stands behind his products. And I also had another question, a PM that was sent to me about my pole cracking. And I almost forgot. These cracks, this pole, it's doing it on both sides. That pole was very heavily wet treated. This other pole that has very minor cracking was done with what they call a dry treatment. And it probably weighed 40 pounds less than that pole right there that you're looking at now. So that's why that one's cracking. I let that thing sit in my garage for 2 weeks before I put it out in the sun because I knew that would happen. Alright, that's it. I'm done.